Hobby Channel. I know I told you I wasn't doing RCs, but I was watching Captain Robert, Captain Blosh, and the only reason I'm doing this is because I went through General Hobby and I ordered a Diamond X-Block, S-Block 342, and they didn't have it in stock. Well, they really great service, and the reason I'm saying that because they give me this one for what I ordered, and this one is about $150 more. And it didn't come with a Diamond remote. It's got micro zone, which it seems like a cheap one, but an RTS plane, I mean, you can't really go wrong. So this is going to be an unboxing, and I did take that out, and I put the battery on charge. It's a 25C 2200 milliamp. But before I start, I want to say to Captain Robert and Captain Blosh, which that's the only reason why I even want to try flying, is a salute. Alright. Got basic instructions, and from what I've read and seen, and I haven't seen nobody really doing an unboxing on the Su-26m. This decals. Not a step. Well, don't step on it. Somebody get their ass kicked. Okay. Let's see what's in this box. A box inside of boxes. Alright, we got landing gear. And for those of you who watch other unboxing videos, when they say this is metal, yes, it is a type of metal, but it is an aircraft aluminum, real lightweight, flexible. People don't really go into detail. Here's the cabin. Oh, look, coming with a little pilot. Yeah, he's probably going to crash because I've never flown before. Good God, it's a big prop. 13 by 6. And it comes with a spare prop. What else we got in here? Hardware, glue, propeller deal for the engine. Let's see what's in this one. Got the rudder, the elevator. I'm really glad I got a red and white one too, because I really didn't want the blue and yellow one. My orientation ain't very good anyways. And I hoped, and I probably will, but I hope I don't crash this damn thing. There's a wing. And looks like everything's pretty much already installed. You got the servo installed. That's pretty nice. It's EPO foam, but it's really a compact EPO. It ain't like what you think, like packing. There's the other one. Yeah, I like it. Very well crafted. Got the carbon fiber spar that goes to the wings. And now for the fuselage. It's a pretty good sized plane. I know never been into flying, but this is pretty good size, man. This thing's huge. Alright, let's get this out of the pack. It's kind of heavy. I believe this is 650 kV. Oh, look. And that is so stupid. Okay, you see this sticker right here? These are the gauges. It should be on the back side of this, but they got it on the front. I guess they knew I was flying. We're going to fly backwards. Alright. Right? I don't know. The only thing that I really don't like, and with the charger, they did give me the balance charger, and this is the most common if you order like from Banggood and whatever. But this is General Hobby. I will say that they have some of the best customer service. Because okay, if I stop it, if I would have waited, it would have been a month and a half before I got the plane I ordered. And he said take a choose from any Dynam he had. And whenever he did, I seen this one. I seen it was more, but there wasn't even an issue. And there's another S-Balk on there, Ball and Tex for the same price, but he said any diamond. And I chose this one because it's closer to the S-Balk from all the others. But the charger only came with this. I don't like this. But we have enough electronics where I boosted something else from the drawer over there and was able to get it going. But that's a concern in this. But he made this an RTF flight. There are RTF models, but the RTF models come with a diamond where it's got the selective pitch and all that. You can tone it down and crank it up. This one, I'll be alright with it. Hopefully I don't crash it. And I really wanted the diamond so I could cut back on the Expo and everything, but I'll see if I can't figure it out. But the next video will be me building it, and we'll get back to you. And thanks for watching, and thanks for the subscriptions. And I know I said I wasn't into RC no more, but I'm really into everything. I jump from one thing to another. It'll be cars, boats, drones, gold, planes. I've done real boats, race cars, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, motocross. I try to stay in everything. But I'm just now getting to where I want to video everything because my life, it changes from one day to the next. If I crash this, it'll probably be another hobby. But I did want to do the unboxing, and as you can see, and these wheels too are soft rubber. I'm really pleased with this size of this plane because it is very nice. But stay tuned to my channel, and if you do wind up going after a plane, go to General Hobby. I don't know if a lot of people buy from there, but I'm going to try to push them because I've never had customer service. I mean, where would somebody give you a plane that's $100, $200 more than what the original plane that you wanted was going to be without even a question? I mean, that's A1 service to me. Or he said I could have a refund, but I didn't want a refund because when I made the purchase, I was already committed to the plane. But stay tuned, and I will get you a build video out as soon as I can. Thank you.